Look here, ChatGPT made these stunning PowerPoint slides for me in less than 2 minutes. If you want to learn how, continue watching. Launch your browser and let's go to ChatGPT. And the first prompt we're going to enter is give me the content for a presentation about artificial intelligence and spread it across 8 slides. Now ChatGPT might give you only the outline for the presentation, but we want the content as well. So I need to ask it a second time, and in this case I just ask it, give me the content for each point. And just like magic, the content for my presentation is given based on the outline it suggested. So the next step is to copy the whole answer right here. So just select everything and hit the Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. And now let's open a new tab on the browser and let's go to word.new. This is the official Microsoft website. So you can use Word or other apps for free. You just need to sign in with your Outlook account. So now paste the text into this new document, and one important thing to do is to make sure the first line, the title of the presentation. So in this case, it's going to be this one. Now you don't have to format it, just make sure that it is on the first line. Then you're going to go to File, Export, and Export to PowerPoint presentation. And now Word is reading the content of our document and suggesting some template that could work with what we have. And it's taking the title to define the theme of the template. And here it came up with these options. Now, if you don't like any of these options, you can click on See More Template, and here you have other options. So I'll just pick this one for now, and I'm going to click on Export. It's basically preparing my slides, and then you can just click on Open Presentation, and it will open the online version of PowerPoint, which is free for anyone who has Microsoft email account. And just like magic, our content is already on the slides. Some layout already have icons and images, which is incredible. And you can even make it look better by changing the fonts and adding images. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.